How to create a coming soon page in Elementor. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your WordPress dashboard, and then you're gonna have to select Elementor, and then the next step is to simply go to so we're gonna have to go to this section here. So you're gonna have to go to tools, so Elementor, and then you're gonna have to go to maintenance mode. So let's go to tools here, and then go to maintenance, and then here you're gonna have to choose coming soon, and then here you can simply enter who can access this, and as you can see you can choose a template for this, and then simply click on save changes, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.